How much should you actually spend on a magnetic phone mount for your car? Some people are happy buying the cheap ones while others return the pricey options. It's a bit interesting, but the truth is, price doesn't always reflect quality. Today, let's figure out which magnetic phone mounts are truly worth your money. Product number 1: VICSED MagSafe Car Mount. First up is the VICSED for MagSafe Car Mount. Priced at $34.14, this holder caught my attention with its promise of the strongest magnet power available. If you want a solid, reliable mount for your iPhone, this is worth a serious look. With 20 wider RB magnets, it holds your phone securely, even on bumpy roads, and it won't interfere with your phone's signal. Plus, it's compatible with most air vents, which is a huge plus. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep compared to other options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for reliability and strength, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind when driving. This is perfect for you if you're an iPhone user who wants a hassle-free, strong mount for your car. Skip this one if you're looking for something cheaper and are okay with risking stability. Now, if VICSED's price worried you, the next one could be a more budget-friendly option. Product number 2: LISEN 2-Pack Magnetic Holder. Next up, we have the LISEN 2-Pack Magnetic Phone Holder for your car at just $18.96. What grabbed my attention here is that you get 2 mounts for the price of 1. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, this is definitely worth considering. This holder features a unique hook design that ensures it won't fall off your air vent, no matter the road conditions. With 6 strong neodymium magnets, it can hold up to 7.7 pounds, making it incredibly stable even on the roughest rides. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, so you can share it with a friend or use it in multiple cars. Some users did mention that it might not fit perfectly on some vent types. That's true. However, if your car's air vent is standard, this shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for anyone looking for an affordable option that won't compromise on quality. Skip this if you have oddly shaped vents or are looking for a mount specifically designed for iPhones only. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a sleek design. Product number 3: WixGear Magnetic Phone Holder. Coming in third is the WixGear Magnetic Phone Holder for car, also priced at $18.96. I was drawn to its promise of simplicity and functionality. If you want something user-friendly, this might be your go-to. This mount has a sturdy rubber base that holds the magnetic head securely, and its reinforced magnet is quite powerful, keeping your device in place regardless of the bumps in the road. Plus, it swivels easily, allowing you to position your phone exactly how you want it, a nice touch for navigation. However, some users found the installation process a bit fiddly at first, but once you get it set up, it works like a charm. So if you're willing to invest a little time, it pays off. This is perfect for those who want a straightforward, no-fuss magnetic phone mount. Skip this if you prefer a mount with a more complex setup or if you need a dual pack. Now, if WixGear's installation concern bothered you, the next option offers a fantastic simplicity that might appeal to you. Product number 4: UGREN Car Phone Mount. Next, we have the UGREN Car Phone Mount priced at just $11.37. What grabbed me here was its strong magnet strength for a reasonable price. If you're on a budget but still want something reliable, this is worth considering. It's designed specifically for MagSafe devices, allowing for quick one-handed operation, which is a must when you're on the road. However, it does lack wireless charging capability, which could be a deal-breaker for some. But if you're not dependent on that feature, it's not a huge concern. This is perfect for iPhone users looking for a strong, budget-friendly mount. Skip this if you require wireless charging support, or if you have a variety of phone models you want to use with it. Now, if you liked the UGREN's price but want something with a bit more muscle, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 5: LISEN for MagSafe Car Mount. Finally, we have the LISEN for MagSafe Car Mount, retailing at $16.43. I was really impressed by its upgraded magnetic strength, which is crucial for stability. If you want a strong, dependable mount for your iPhone, this one deserves your attention. The design has been improved to minimize contact with the air vent, reducing overheating issues, which is a huge plus. Plus, installation is straightforward and quick. However, it may not fit all air vent designs perfectly, especially if you have wider or round vents. So consider your vehicle's specifications before buying. This is perfect if you're an iPhone user looking for a strong, reliable mount that won't overheat your device. Skip this if your car has non-standard vents or if you're looking for a mount that supports other phone types. With these 5 options, you've got a solid range of magnetic phone mounts for your car vent, from budget-friendly picks to more robust choices. Make sure to choose the one that best suits your needs. So there you have it. We covered the VICSCED, LISEN 2-pack Wix Gear UGREN and the LISEN for MagSafe. Each one has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you want something simple, powerful, or budget-friendly, there's a mount here for you. Just choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.